Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making salad dressing, but not just any salad dressing. This is the Chadian dressing from Star Wars. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. First, combine 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, half a cup of light olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 clove garlic minced in a small bowl. Use an immersion blender until emulsified, or you can throw it in a regular blender for about 1 minute. Here's something interesting. There is a possibility that dinosaurs first evolved in South America. Most of the earliest dinosaur fossils have been found in the Santa Maria Formation in Brazil and in the Esquigualesto Formation in Argentina, both of which date back to the Carnian state of the late Triassic period. Next, add the remaining ingredients, a pinch of salt and pepper or to taste, half a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs, such as oregano and marjoram, 2 ounces crumbled blue cheese, and a few drops of blue food coloring or spirulina, and blend again until smooth. My original bowl was a little too small, so maybe don't use a cereal bowl. Cover and refrigerate for up to 4 days or use immediately with the Xizor Salad. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's Kitchen, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.